Hello, so I have decided to finally remake the voicemail tutorial. This video will show you how to activate voicemail on your mobile phone with an Airtel SIM card. First, you have to activate the voicemail service for your mobile number. To do this, dial *321 *671 #. You will get a prompt. Press 1 to confirm. This will activate voicemail for your number. This service is free and you will not be charged any money. To deactivate voicemail, simply dial *321 *673 #. Next, you will have to find a voicemail box number. Dial +9 19945501491. This will connect you to a voicemail box. If the number is working, you'll be connected to your voicemail inbox.
To the voicemail service, you have no messages. To manage your profile, press 9.
If the number doesn't work for you, you can try one of the numbers that are in the description below. Next, go to the Settings menu in your dialer app. Open Call Settings. Select your SIM from the options. Now go to Call Forwarding. Here you can set the voicemail box that you found in the previous step. This setting is usually auto-filled when you activate voicemail, like it is for me. But if it isn't filled for you, you can fill it up with the voicemail box number. In the same menu as the Call Forwarding, go to Voicemail menu, and then to Advanced Settings. Here you can set a shortcut to access your voicemail. You can enter 52555 as the number if you are in India, or your voicemail box number from step 2 if you want to access your voicemail while roaming. Now you are done with setting up your voicemail. To access your voicemail, go to the dialer app and call 52555. Or you can long press on 1 and this will activate the voicemail shortcut that you set up.
The voicemail service, you have no messages. To manage your profile, press 9.
You can now use Airtel's voicemail service. If you liked the video, subscribe. Or not. Goodbye.